to see if I can rap for real. But I'll try and solve this Rubik's Cube. I don't even do this shit for real.
Taking my time with this. Had to stop walking on water cause they be saying God in me is too obvious. Shooting with confidence. In this life it's only two roads. The ones on stage and niggas and audience. I'm who the topic is. Make sure you watching this. Born a God just came back to take back my continent. Keep your accomplishments. Back and float, I be floating, I gotta keep flowing. I'm at the top of the totem pole, similar to what I'm talking for. Say, need me some potion. Fuck it. No more take twos, take threes, backseat. Riding, feel like I'm driving on the highway. Lost without a pilot with no mileage. I'm a lyrical, spiritual, cynical individual. Blessed enough, always asking for miracles, aiming straight for your pinnacle. Never coming in last, never made it to class. Sleeping away my past, never chasing no ass. Hating to make me laugh, never smoking no gas. Always molding my craft, never snakes in the grass. Making memories to last, take the shot, never pass. Chosen one on the path, always making the cash.